for chapter 4. This is first part of chapter 4. So इसमें भी हम 100 से ज़्यादा MCQs और रीजन दर्शन वाले क्वेश्चंस करेंगे. तो फटाफट से स्टार्ट करते हैं. बिफोर स्टार्टिंग मैं आपको छोटी सी इन्फॉर्मेशन देना चाहता हूँ. ये नंबर पे व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप है, उस पर बहुत सारी चीज़ें शेयर करी जाती हैं. तो इसका लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूँगा. डायरेक्ट लिंक है, आप यहाँ से सीधा ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. ठीक है जी, स्टार्ट करते हैं. लेट्स क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज़ नॉट अ स्टेप इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ प्लानिंग. सो कौन सा स्टेप इनमें से प्लानिंग का नहीं है. सो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज़ एलोकेशन ऑफ जॉब्स टू मेंबर्स ऑफ ईच डिपार्टमेंट. सेकेंड, which of the following is not a limitation to the planning. So again futuristic तो इसकी limitation है ही नहीं, तो एक benefit है. ठीक, तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन सी. थर्ड पॉइंट, if there was no planning, employees would be working in different directions and the organization would not be able to achieve its desired goals. Identify the point of importance of planning highlighted above. So इसमें क्या है, अब इसका भी आंसर क्वेश्चन के अंदर ही है कि उसने बोला डायरेक्शंस नहीं मिलेंगी, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो है वो अपने गोल्स अचीव नहीं कर पाएंगी. तो डायरेक्शन से क्या पॉइंट प्रूव होता है, दैट प्लानिंग प्रोवाइड्स डायरेक्शन. Then question number 4, changes or events cannot be eliminated but they can be anticipated and managerial responses to them can be developed. Identify the point of importance of planning highlighted above. So it is planning reduces the risk of uncertainty. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर है, प्लीज़ इसको ध्यान से समझना. कोई भी दिक्कत होगी यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट एनी टाइम. So since planning is the first function of management, new ideas can take the shape of concrete plans. Identify the point of importance of planning highlighted above. So it's planning promotes innovative ideas. ठीक है, प्लानिंग जो है वो नए नए आइडियाज़ को इनोवेटिव आइडियाज़ को प्रमोट करने में कंपनी को हेल्प करती है. ठीक है जी. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, planning is required at all levels of management as well as in all departments of the organization. It is not an exclusive function of the top management nor of any particular department, but the scope of planning differs at different levels and among different departments. Identify the feature characteristic ऑफ प्लानिंग हाईलाइटेड अबव. सो ये तो सिंपल है, क्वेश्चन से ही इसका आंसर समझ में आ जाता है. सो प्लानिंग इज ऑल प्रिवेसिव. प्लानिंग जो है वो प्रिवेसिव होती है. प्रिवेसिव का मतलब क्या होता है, परफॉर्म्ड एट ऑल लेवल्स ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. परफॉर्म्ड एट ऑल लेवल्स. एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में कितने लेवल्स होते हैं, 3. तो ये हर एक लेवल पे परफॉर्म की जाती है. देन अ प्लान इज़ फ्रेम्ड, इट इज़ इम्प्लीमेंटेड एंड इज़ फॉलोड बाय अनदर प्लान and so on. Identify the feature characteristic of planning highlighted above. So planning जो है वो continuous process है, लगातार चलते रहने वाला process है. Then it implies peeping into the future, analyzing it and predicting it through forecasting. Future events and conditions are characterized, are anticipated and plans are drawn accordingly. Identify the feature characteristics of planning highlighted above. So it is futuristic. प्लानिंग फ्यूचरिस्टिक होती है. ये फोरकास्टिंग फ्यूचर से ही आंसर क्लियर हो जाता है, राइट. सो मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था, ध्यान से पढ़ेंगे आपको जो आंसर है ना वो क्वेश्चन के अंदर ही पता चल जाता है कई बार. Then we have often seen in our daily lives also that things do not always go according to the plan dash affect our business plans. तो अगर तो प्लानिंग जो है वो सही तरीके से नहीं बनी तो क्या होगा, अनफोर्सिन इवेंट्स एंड चेंजेस, लीगल रेगुलेशन से कोप अप नहीं कर पाएंगे, राइज होना शुरू हो जाएगा कॉस्ट्स में, प्राइसेस में. तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज़ ऑल ऑफ द अबव. मतलब बिजनेस इन सबको इफेक्ट करेगा प्लानिंग. सॉरी. फॉलोइंग इज अ प्री डिसाइडेड प्लान व्हेन सर्कमस्टांसेस हैव चेंज्ड मे नॉट टर्न आउट टू बी इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस इंटरेस्ट. Identify the limitations of planning highlighted above. So it is planning leads to rigidity. मतलब यहाँ पे देखो वो कह रहा है कि प्री डिसाइडेड प्लान जो होता है वो सर्कमस्टांसेस चेंज होने पे चेंज नहीं करा जा सकता है ना. तो कई बार ऐसा हो सकता है कि वो चीज़ कंपनी के ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के इंटरेस्ट में ना हो, बट वी हैव टू टेक हार्ड डिसीजंस, वी हैव टू गो विद द फ्लो. सो प्लानिंग जो है वो रिजिड होती है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, प्लानिंग cannot foresee everything and thus there may be obstacles to the effective planning. It becomes difficult to accurately assess future trends in the environment if economic policies are modified or political conditions in the country are not stable or there is a natural calamity. Identify the limitation of planning highlighted above. So planning may not work in dynamic environment. ठीक है, ऊपर वाले पॉइंट्स है ना, आप इसको रिलेट कर सकते हैं. दैट प्लानिंग लीड्स टू रिजिडिटी एंड समटाइम्स प्लानिंग इतनी ज़्यादा रिजिड होती है कि वो डायनामिक एनवायरनमेंट में जो है वो काम ही नहीं कर पाती, और एनवायरनमेंट तो आपको पता ही है डायनामिक है ही. ठीक. देन 12th क्वेश्चन, देयर आर नंबर ऑफ इंसिडेंटल कॉस्ट्स like expenses on boardroom meetings, discussions with professional experts, and preliminary investigations to find out the viability of the plan. Identify the limitation of planning highlighted above. So planning involves huge cost. Planning जो है उसमें खर्चा बहुत होता है. ये आपको ना पता ही है, ये आपको बहुत बार बताया जा चुका है कि जो प्लानिंग होती है ना वो प्रोफेशनल्स करते हैं. मतलब प्लानिंग कोई भी लेमैन, कोई भी अनएक्सपर्ट पर्सन जो है वो नहीं कर सकता. प्लानिंग में तुक्का नहीं चलता. प्लानिंग जो है ना वो एक प्रॉपर सिस्टम के अकॉर्डिंग चलती है, और उसी सिस्टम के अकॉर्डिंग जो है हमें काम करना पड़ता है और प्लानिंग करनी पड़ती है. और अगर हमने गलत प्लान कर लिया तो चीज़ें जो है ना बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब होना शुरू हो जाती. देन 13th क्वेश्चन, it is not always true that just because a plan has worked before it will work again. Besides, there are so many other unknown factors to be considered. This kind of complacency and false sense of security may actually lead to the failure of planning. Identify the limitation of planning highlighted above. So its answer is option C. Planning does not guarantee success. ठीक. Then 14th, if the end result is clear, it becomes easier to work towards the goal. Identify the step of one of the functions of management highlighted above. So 14th का आंसर होगा A option, setting objectives. Then 15th, planning is concerned with the future which is uncertain. Planning जो है ना वो future से related होती है जो कि uncertain है. So therefore the manager is required to make certain assumptions. These assumptions are called premises. ठीक है, जब हम डेवलप करते हैं ना assumptions को तो उसको क्या कहा जाता है, premises. ये आपने प्लानिंग के प्रोसेस में भी देखा होगा. ठीक है. Then accurate forecasts become essential for successful plans. Identify the step of one of the functions of management highlighted above. It is again developing premises. Right? Now move to question number 17. An innovative course may adopted by involving more people and sharing their ideas. Identify the step of planning function of management highlighted above. So its answer is option C. Identifying alternative courses of action. Then move to 18th question. Each alternative course of action has many variables which have to be weighed against each other. Identify the step of planning function of management highlighted above. इसमें भी आंसर ऑप्शन डी होगा. क्वेश्चन इज इट सेल्फ एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है खुद को, तो इसका आंसर होगा इवेल्युएटिंग ऑल्टरनेटिव कोर्सेज. एंड 19th, इन फाइनेंशियल प्लान्स द रिस्क रिटर्न ट्रेड ऑफ इज वेरी कॉमन. The more risky the investment, the higher the returns it is likely to give. To evaluate such proposals, detailed calculations of earnings, earning per share, interest, taxes, dividends are made and decisions are taken. So identify the step of planning function of management highlighted above. इसका आंसर भी अगेन डी ही होगा, evaluating alternative courses of. ठीक है, evaluating alternative courses. Then 20th question. This is the real point of decision making. The best plan has to be adopted and implemented Identify the step of planning function of management highlighted above. So selecting an alternative. मतलब अब यहाँ पे इम्प्लीमेंटेशन का बात किया जा रहा है. So it means यहाँ पे एक ऑल्टरनेटिव जो है सिलेक्ट करके उसको सिलेक्शन के बाद जो है सीधा ही इम्प्लीमेंट जो है वो कर दिया जाएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 21. दिस इज़ द स्टेप वेयर अदर मैनेजरियल फंक्शंस also come into the picture. This step would also involving organizing for labor and purchase of machinery. So identify the step of one of the functions of management highlighted above. Option C, implementing the plan. Then to see whether the plans being implemented and activities are being performed according to schedule is also part of the planning process. Monitoring the plans is equally important to ensure that objectives are achieved. Identify the step of one of the functions of management highlighted above. So it is follow up action कि जिसमें हम सारा जो है वो काम को चेक करते हैं, देखते हैं कि काम जो है वो सही तरीके से हो रहा है एज पर द प्लान्स और नॉट. 23. स्ट्रेटजी इज़ व्हाट टाइप ऑफ प्लान. स्ट्रेटजी जो है वो किस तरह का प्लान है. ना ही स्ट्रेटजी सिंगल यूज़ प्लान है और ना ही स्टैंडिंग प्लान है. ठीक. 24. प्लानिंग इज़ द मोस्ट चैलेंजिंग एक्टिविटी फॉर द मैनेजमेंट एज डैश. प्लानिंग जो है वो मैनेजमेंट के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा चैलेंजिंग टास्क होता है. क्यों और कैसे. तो ऑप्शन ए इसका आंसर होगा. इट गाइड्स ऑल फ्यूचर एक्शंस लीडिंग टू ग्रोथ एंड प्रॉस्पेरिटी ऑफ द बिजनेस. राइट. तो मतलब इन सारी चीज़ों को ध्यान में रख के कंपनी जो है वो प्लानिंग करती है. 25. इन प्लानिंग generally managers have to follow predetermined plans and they are not in a position to change it. This statement highlights the following limitations of planning. This is planning leads to rigidity. Then 26. Which of the following statements is false. So इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन सी. प्लानिंग इज एन एक्सक्लूसिव फंक्शन ऑफ टॉप मैनेजमेंट. So question number 27. The purpose of planning is to meet future events effectively to best advantage of an organization. These statements highlight which of the following feature of planning. So planning is the primary function of इसका आंसर होगा planning is futuristic again. Question number 28. Which step in the process of planning function of management involves weighing pros and cons of each alternative. So option C, evaluating alternative courses. 29. Which of the planning following statements correctly explains the limitations of planning that planning does not guarantee success. So इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी. Relying on a previously tried and tested successfully plan just because it had worked before and will work again. Question number 30. Planning is an intellectual activity of thinking rather than doing. Which feature of planning is highlighted in this statement? So answer is option D. Planning is a mental exercise. Question number 31. Uttam Ayurvedic Limited is an established Indian company manufacturing organic consumer goods like toothpaste, shampoos. It has planned to increase its market share from 30% to 40% in the current financial year. With the expanding market of organic products, other companies in the consumer goods industry have also launched these products with organic components. The competition in the market has increased and it was found that the sales of Uttam Ayurvedic Limited came down and its market share was reduced to 23%. So identify the limitation of planning highlighted in the above case. So option A, planning may not work in dynamic environment. So you can see यहाँ पे ना प्लानिंग फेल हो जाती है जब कॉम्पिटिटर्स आ जाते हैं. अगर हम अपने आप को कोप अप नहीं कर पाते उनके साथ तो हमारे सारे के सारे प्लान्स जो हैं वो धरे रह जाते हैं. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 32. द स्टेप इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ प्लानिंग विच इज़ कंसर्न विद पुटिंग द प्लान इन टू एक्शन दैट इज़ डूइंग वट इज़ रिक्वायर्ड इज कॉल्ड इम्प्लीमेंटिंग द प्लान. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 33. Ritu Kapoor has set up a bakery, Bakers and Cakes, in Pune. She receives online orders for cakes from within the city and supplies them on the same day. She gets a target that she would earn a revenue of rupees 5 lakh in the first year. She informed her employees about the target and asked them to contribute ideas to achieve the same. So, Ritu Kapoor has performed the first step in the process of one of the functions of management. The next step is to be performed is developing premises. मतलब जब आइडियाज़ मांगे जाते हैं ना अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ से कि आप भी आइडिया दो, तो इसको बोला जाता है कि हम कुछ अज्यूम कर रहे हैं, हम जो है वो अजम्पशंस ले रहे हैं कि ऐसे हो सकता है, वैसे हो सकता है. सो वट एवर द बेस्ट वे आउट वुड बी, तो वो अप्लाई कर दिया जाता है. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 34. The owner of Sweet Moments Wedding Hall spent a great deal of time, money, and effort in the renovation, expecting a bumper wedding season in the year 2020. But due to the pandemic, wedding became intimate home affairs, and not many bookings happened. So the limitations of planning highlighted in the above cases. तो ये भी same जो है वो आंसर आएगा. It may not work in a dynamic environment. Then 35th question, in one of the steps in the process of planning, the manager is required to make certain assumptions about the future, which are the base material upon which plans are to be drawn. Identify the step, so again developing premises. Dash provides the standards against which actual performance is measured. So planning provides the standards. So option B is the answer. Then 37, planning ensures that the goals are clearly stated so that they act as a guide for deciding what action should be taken and in which direction. If goals are well defined, employees are aware of what the organization has to do to achieve those goals. The above para highlights the following point importance of planning. So importance of planning में ये कौन सी इंपॉर्टेंस है, यहाँ से पता चल जाता है कि ये डायरेक्शन प्रोवाइड करती है. तो प्लानिंग हमें डायरेक्शन प्रोवाइड करती है. Then question number 38. Premlal, the managing director of Asti Limited, retired after 33 years of service. The responsibility was given to Raj. Raj realized that there was a lot of rivalry, मतलब competition है, confusion है, misunderstanding among the departmental heads. He detected inefficiencies, took corrective measures, and developed a master plan for the organization to follow. This served as a basis for the coordinating activities of all departments, led to clarity of thought and action, and work got off to a smooth start. So the point of importance of planning discussed above is planning reduces overlapping and wasteful activities. देखो planning जो है ना वो हमेशा overlapping को reduce करती है. आप ऊपर के ऊपर काम नहीं करते हैं, तो जिससे होता क्या है कि हमारे पास confusion chaos जो है वो ख़त्म हो जाता है और सारा काम जो है वो efficiently और smoothly चलता है. ठीक. Then question number 39. Isaya Cars was founded by engineers who wanted to prove that people do not need to compromise to drive electrical vehicles. They took it as a challenge, and new ideas took the shape of concrete plans. In the year July 2021, they launched their first set of electric cars, proving to the world that electric vehicles can be better, quicker, and more fun to drive than gasoline cars. So the point of importance discussed in the above cases. तो ये यहाँ से ऑलमोस्ट क्लियर हो जाता है कि इन्होंने इनोवेटिव आइडिया जो है वो लेके आए. तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज प्लानिंग प्रमोट्स इनोवेटिव आइडियाज़. Then 40th question, Amulya wants to start her own cafe. Her long-term goal is to get 40% of the market share. For this, she gathered information and made forecasts about the potential demand, purchasing power of the consumers, as well as preferences of the consumers and government policy towards this business, etc. By doing this, Amulya had completed some steps in the process of planning. So choose the step in the planning process that Amulya has to follow. Next is identifying alternative courses of action. Then 41st, Surya Fashion Limited hired Suresh Malhotra, an ace fashion designer, to develop a new product line. He charged rupees 50 lakh for the consultation. The company spent another 1.5 crore in formulating the marketing campaign for launching their new product. So their products were not liked by the consumers, and the company could generate a revenue of rupees 15 lakh only from this product line. So thus the cost incurred is not justifying the benefits that are derived from the plans. So which limitation of planning is reflected in the above para? So it is planning involves huge costs. Question number 42. Dash provides rational approach for setting objectives and developing appropriate courses of action for achieving the predetermined objectives. So again planning हमें provide करती है. Then 43rd, changes or events cannot be eliminated but they can be anticipated. जो changes हैं और events हैं उनको eliminate नहीं किया जा सकता but उनको anticipate किया जा सकता है and managerial responses to them can be developed. और जो भी treatment है वो दिया जा सकता है before time. Is suggested by the following importance of planning. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, that is planning reduces the risk of uncertainty. Then 44, the statement planning is a primary function suggests that dash. ठीक, तो प्लानिंग जो है वो प्राइमरी फंक्शन होता है और उसके बाद सारे के सारे फंक्शन जो हैं उसको फॉलो करते हैं. ठीक. देन 45, प्लानिंग इज क्लोजली कनेक्टेड विद डैश एंड डैश. प्लानिंग जो है वो क्लोजली कनेक्टेड है किसके साथ? क्रिएटिविटी के साथ और इनोवेशन के साथ. तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज क्रिएटिविटी एंड इनोवेशन. Then 46, which step in the process of planning will precede the step in which the manager is required to make certain assumptions about the future, which are base material upon which the plans are drawn. So it is setting up of objectives. Then question number 47, planning requires logical and systematic thinking rather than guesswork. The feature of planning being referred to in the above statement is planning is a mental exercise. Simple questions हैं. 48, if there is a plan to increase production, then more labor, more machinery will be required. This step in the process of planning will involve organizing for labor and purchase of machinery. Identify the step in the planning process being discussed above. So its answer is implementing the plan. 49, a sanitizer manufacturing company wants to become a market leader. For this purpose, the manager follow an activity with certain logical steps. The first step suggested by him is to increase profits by at least 30% in the next quarter. So, what will be the last step of the activity being followed by the manager? So, it is follow-up action. Then question number 50, a statement of expected results expressed in terms of numeric terms is a type of plan called as budget. Then dash is a standing plan, rule is a standing plan, dash is a standing plan, rule ये repeat हो गया. Question 53. So match the features of planning given in column 1 with the respective explanation given in column 2. So planning is a mental exercise. Planning जो है वो एक mental exercise है because planning requires logical and systematic thinking, then guesswork or wishful thinking. So it is matching with this. Then planning is all pervasive, planning is required at all levels. तो ये इसके साथ मैच हो जाएगा और ये बचा इसके साथ. तो ऑप्शन बी इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा. Then dash are detailed statements about a project which outline the objectives, policies, procedures, rules, tasks, budgets, etc. to implement any course of action is programs. Then plans are prepared for a specific period of time, maybe for a month, a quarter or a year. At the end of that period, there is need for new plan to be drawn on the basis of new requirements and future conditions. The feature of planning reflected in the above line is planning is continuous. Then Best Electronics is led by its visionary chief executive officer Nikhil. It has a reputation for good quality products and customer service. Nikhil recognized the need to continually innovate and provide customers with the latest products. He wanted the company to be the market leader in electronics. Nikhil knew that to realize his ambitious vision, he needed a clear and well-defined plan that would provide broad contours of the company's business. His team conducted extensive market research to uncover emerging trends. So, customer preferences or potential competitors. On its basis, a plan was prepared defining the company's direction and scope in the long run. On the implementation of the plan, Best Electronics became the market leader in 2 years. The type of plan which helped Best Electronics to become the market leader was strategy. Then 57, Dash is the process of searching for prospective employees and stimulating them to apply for jobs in the organization is recruitment. Then question number 58, Sudha and Shweta were twin sisters. After completing their education from college, they decided to start a business. As they were commerce students, they knew the importance of deciding in advance what to do and how to do. It was very challenging for them as this decision was to guide all their future actions. While discussing the same with their mother, they got a new idea of starting a cloud kitchen. Both the sisters were very excited to start this. The idea took the shape of a concrete plan within a month. So they were successful in starting their cloud kitchen. Identify the point of importance highlighted in the above case. So planning promotes innovative ideas. 59. Dash is concerned with the designing jobs that include greater variety of work, content, require higher level of knowledge and skill, and give workers more autonomy and providing them opportunity for personal growth and a meaningful work experience. So its answer is job enrichment. Question number 60. So in T-Pax Limited, a company trading in stationery items, it was decided that all purchase would be made from AK Limited on credit basis with credit period of at least 7 days. This was done because no other company was offering credit facility. Which type of plan has been referred to in the above paragraph is policy. Then 61, arrange the following steps of planning process in the correct sequence. तो प्लानिंग के जो प्रोसेस हैं, सबसे पहले तो इवेल्युएटिंग ऑल्टरनेटिव कोर्सेज ऑफ एक्शन आएगा, फिर सिलेक्टिंग एन ऑल्टरनेटिव, फिर इम्प्लीमेंटिंग द प्लान, देन फॉलो अप एक्शन. सो आंसर इज सी. Then 62, YTS, a shipping company, has been successfully carrying out its shipping business for the past 5 years. Last year, it rolled out a new shipping initiative during the holiday season with the promise to deliver all packages by a particular time. Before the holidays, the company had an objective of increasing the profits at a consistent rate. The unexpected high demand hassled the workers and delivery team, causing a delay in the delivery of a large number of packages. The company did not recognize the logistical difficulties in training new staff in order to meet its delivery schedules as promised. The complacency of the company to think that a consistent rate of profit could be maintained led to its failure. Identify the limitations of planning discussed above. Again, planning involves huge costs. Last but not the least, from part 1 is during the devastating earthquake in Gujarat, Mansukh Bhai, a traditional clay craftsman, incurred heavy losses in the pottery business. Journalists photographed his broken matkas and referred to them with the caption, "The poor man's broken fridge." An idea struck him to make a real fridge with the same cooling principle, and after several tests of soil and fridge designs, he introduced the innovative clay school fridge in 2005. His company is growing at a 15% annually, and he seeks to achieve a target of 10 crores by the end of the next fiscal year. The company has stuck to its statement of keeping all the products priced at a lower rate in order to be affordable. Identify the plans to be referred in the above case studies, policy and objectives. So this is the end of the first part. Kindly refer to this, share it with your friends, like as much as you can, subscribe as much as you can. So make your friends also do everything. Contact number is 94643 Just ping me on this number if you need any kind of help. I have shared the link of WhatsApp group, direct link in description box. So just go and join from there. Right? Thank you so much. मिलते हैं next part में. Take care.